let us concentrate on development. The time for campaigning will. At that point, constitutionally, you are free to stand for any seat in this country. What I'm advising you, and as leaders, we need to be able to advise our people properly so that we do the right thing at the right time. I'm not saying anything. I'm not castigating anybody. I'm just saying, is this the right time to engage in that activity? Sindio? Sasa tupangika. Us to concentrate, ladies and gentlemen, on what is on the table now and not what we cannot even see. It has already been put in the law. The leaders in the National Assembly can't come here and tell you, please go and tell somebody to remove. President is not in parliament, is he? You can change that in parliament if you want, correct? Like you can ask me to change a policy in the Ministry of Education. Just like I say, please release all the certificates to the students because it is within my docket. Tunaelewana hapa, because I felt, and I've said this, and we're having meetings and having these discussions all the time, so that we can get it right and we can lead our people